Well, hello. This is Grandma Dolly, and I'd like you to come join my party. Come on, y'all.
It's time for Grandma Dolly. She sure likes to party.
Let's party. Well, hey, y'all. It's Grandma Dolly here. Just wanted you to know that I got back from the state fair, and it was a great time, but I gotta tell you that they've got the weirdest foods at the state fair. So I thought I'm going to go to the Dollar Tree and make my own strange state fair food. One thing they had at the state fair were these donut burgers. A burger on a donut. And I went to the Dollar Tree and I found these. Donut time glazed donut. What am I going to do? I'm making a burger. I'm going to be doing a chicken burger, and I found these chicken strips at the Dollar Tree. Isn't that something? Look at that. It comes from that place, Cock Foods. And would you look at that chicken? That's funny. I'm just going to heat these up in the oven. And then on top of that, I'm definitely going to have to put some cheese. I found this cheese, Lakeview Monterey Jack cheese at the Dollar Tree. I would just love to live somewhere with a lake view. How about you? And then, on top of that cheese, I'm going to put something else. I found this at the Dollar Tree. Oh, snap. Look at that. Sassy Bites Pickles. My friend Ed would always say, Grandma Dolly, you sure are sassy. I love pickles. And now all I gotta do is cook and assemble this donut burger sandwich. I bet you can't wait to try it. Well, I'm all done. Here it is. Oh my gosh, look at that. It's a donut chicken burger and there's some pickles on there. My mouth is hungry. I'm ready. I'm at the fair. I love it so much. That's a sweet, delicious burger. Thank you so much. It's always a pleasure and a blessing to have you in my kitchen.
Oh, we love that Dolly. She sure loves to party.
Let's party.